How to create a user group in DCKAP Integrator. User groups serve as a handy tool within DCKAP Integrator, streamlining the process of managing user access. They make it simple for project owners and administrators to grant the same access levels to a group of users. Let us explore the process of creating a new user group in DCKAP Integrator and adding users to that group. User group. To get started, click on the user icon in the top right corner and select Account Settings. Next, click on User Groups. Here, you will see a table with important details: group name, description, created by, action, edit or delete. Adding a new user group. To create a new user group, click the Create User Group button on the right side of the page. In the Create New Group page, provide the following information. Group name. Give your user group a suitable name. Group description. Provide a brief description for your user group. Access level. Access levels define the permission rights of user groups within a project. Choose from Admin or Standard. Click on Create User Group. The new user group will appear in the admin's list of user group. Subscribe to DCKAP on YouTube and explore the DCKAP Learning playlist. Check the description below for more.